And the shift that we are working on, particularly in Europe, is the shift from an outward focus to an inward focus. God is not in the church, not in this church, that church, or that church. I have God within me. God resides. God's energy, the spark, resides within me. And when I close my eyes, I turn within, I can tap into that divine guidance, that loving. The reason people identify greatly at the moment with either nationalism or of some sort or a strong church is because people do not have identities anymore. So the result of 50 years of socialism, where literally your identity was taken away, is that we don't have one right now, and we're looking for them. And we are not on that level of consciousness, whereas we look within. We keep, like we were taught, we keep on looking for organization, setting the tone for us. Who am I? This is the identity. There's nothing beyond that. But unfortunately, real spirituality is our true identity is with God. I am a spark of God.